In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can buy a domain on Google Domains. So Google Domains is a really reliable place to buy your domains for your business and stuff like that. So the first thing you will need to do is obviously come over to domains.google.com and create an account or log in. Once you have logged in to your account, you will be on this page here if you haven't got any domains yet. So what you can do is come down and click on Find the Perfect One, or you can transfer a domain from another provider. So find the perfect one. Once you click on that, you will be able to search for the domain you want. So for me, I will just put in 2-minute tutorials and then click on enter to search for my new domain. Once you click on search, as you can see, all the available domains will be listed in this list here. So for example, what I will do is I will click on 2minutetutorials.com, click on this, and then I can click on add to basket. Once you add it to your basket, as you can see, it is now added in the top right hand corner. All you simply need to do is click on this, and then it will take you over to your basket. As you can see, it will give you a standard option for £10 for 1 year, but if you click on the drop down menu, you can buy up to 10 years, so 10 years would be £100 to register this domain. And then as you can see, privacy protection will be enabled, but on .co.uk domains this will not be available, so obviously it will be off. So I recommend leaving this on if it is available for your domain that you're searched for. And then what you can do is click on this auto renew option here, or you can also turn it off. Once you are happy with that, what you can do is you can come down to the Google Workspace. So what you can do is simply click on the checkbox here, and then you can change whether you want Business Starter, Business Standard and Business Plus. Go ahead and choose the best for you. Once you do that, what you can do is enter in the information here and create your first account. But I'm going to uncheck this box here. Once you're happy with the information on this page here, you can click on the checkout button down at the bottom. Once you click on checkout, you will be redirected over to review your purchase. So once you are here, what you need to do is, obviously, if you haven't already, you will need to enter in your contact information, so your address, your mobile phone number, your email address, etc. Once you have entered in this information, you can click on next, and then what that will do is it will bring up this review purchase section. And then once you have done that, as you can see, you can simply enter in your card number and your card details, and you can enter in any promo codes that you do have if you have one. Once you have entered in this information, to buy the domain, all you simply need to do is click on the buy button in the bottom right hand corner of this section here. As you can see, once you click on buy, you will be charged £10 for 1 year, or you'll be charged the relevant amount for the years you have selected. And then if you did enable auto renew, it will also tell you your renew date on the top left hand corner here. So that's how you can go ahead and buy a domain on Google Domains. If this video did help you out, please let me know in the comments down below, drop a like on the video, and I will see you in the next one.